room tour of 8156. We have our magnets all over the place. Down here, our sloth when we went to Honduras. So there's our magnets. But as you walk in the door, it's a typical stateroom, nothing spectacular. All right. Oh, I hate that. I do not like it when people slam doors, and I just did that. So try not to do that if you ever go on a cruise ship. Try to close it softly. Respect other people. Anyway, so I've already unpacked. Who your neighbors are. Well, I've unpacked. Sherry has not unpacked. But here's the room tour. Typical closets, space, enough hangers. So you can put clothing here if you have to. This trip, Sherry said she would take that, and I took the drawers. And then that's you coming in, and to the right is the bathroom. Again, typical bathroom, no curtain. So that means there's nothing sticking to you. But also doesn't mean you have no leeway. It's pretty in here. I'm inside now. There's the top of it right here, and it does go higher. This goes up and down depending on your height. And then of course, the usual toilets, small bathroom, hello, hello, hello. And then you can see everything that is there. Right, and then you can leave here. Typical of the drawers.
Baby, you need to watch this if you get lost where to go.
I'll check it. It's a repeat, so I'll go over and watch it. The drawers, you have a hair dryer in here. It's usually in the drawer right here. And then other stuff that are inside of here.
No hair dryer.
There is one right here.
Oh.
I was telling you, usually it's where it is.
Oh.
Drawers there. You have the cooler. I don't call it a fridge, I call it cool. It does not get ice cold, but it does make it cooler. Your safe. A couple more shelves there you have. This, I don't know what it was, but it's stuck there, so I'm not sure what that is.
I think it used to, they probably had like the TV stands where it's, you know,
Oh.
had that little...
It's possible, maybe a long time ago. And of course you have another drawer there. There is no outlets over here. Of course all your light switches are on that side. You only have the outlets that are here. So as you all know, you can bring one of these along with all this different extensions. People said, oh, you can't have more than 3. No, you can bring them along. Just have one extension, one cord. So no outlet with plugs in it will go. So that's that. So there's 2 here, which should be plenty for us. And of course, the bed, 2 twins made a king. Another drawer over there with the light fixtures here. And on this cruise, we do have a balcony. We are getting away from doing the balconies, so we can cruise more. But this is our balcony. Nothing huge. You know, this cruise is so port heavy. We probably won't even be using as much as possible. But that's what it is. And then this is deck 8, of course. There's deck 7 below us, and there's what our view is out of our balcony. The Virgin is over there. Let's say the Valiant Lady's over there. So anyway, that is the room tour of 8156. Don't leave your stuff outside your balcony. Do not throw things overboard. There we go. And of course, most places, if you don't lock your door and leave it open, even partially, you will lose the air. So make sure that you lock these doors to get maximum air effort. Okay, that's room tour 8156. All right, table 806. Donald is our waiter, and I do not know how to pronounce that name. Trocinio, assistant waiter. The welcome aboard menu. Maybe. All right, typical. We don't really change up too much, do we?
We don't.
All right, we got some shrimp cocktail, and I gave my Caesar salad. Only one this time for appetizer. Been losing weight. I'm trying to keep that track.
And it's fine for me.
For dinner, prime rib.
Almost well.
Oh, it's almost well. It's not even medium.
Yeah.
So they did overcook that, and then I had the fried chicken meal. She didn't get a chance to let me even video. Oh, really? That's on video. Cheesecake, Boston creams, and my ice cream.
It wouldn't be me if I didn't do something like that.
And it wouldn't be me if I didn't have ice cream.
This is true.
All right, one other section. We just got finished eating dinner, as you all saw last clip. But now we're on the helicopter pad. Wind strong, probably a lot of. There it is. The other ship, nice sunset. The Bow Lady all lit up over there. We're on the front of the ship. I'm assuming we'll be going out that way in an hour and a half. This is crazy. I've never been on a ship for so long in port, not going anywhere.
Well, we got to hang out by the pool.
We did, yeah.
Before it got too crazy.
Yeah, getting on the ship really early was a big help. I mean, it's like, man, we went right into the windjammers, probably maybe a dozen people there total. So then it got crazy when we left. But anyway, there it is.
There goes the airplane.
That airplane's, no, that's a, yeah, but that's in there. And you see the plane. You guys can see it, I don't know. But there, the little small little airport's over there. Okay.
Seems like it's going really fast, evidently.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Yes, they're leaving.
That's a possibility. Yeah, they got the thing running. They're going. The Zamora? Is that what it's called? The Zamora? You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Right, there it is. Alright, we're going to be watching Friendly Feud. We'll see how this goes.
Que estuvieron en el crucero pasado. Very important. So if your answer is not there, it's because they don't know, okay? Women, so now, each one of you are gonna come here, and when you are here, cuando ustedes estén aquí, you have to do an animal sound, okay? Cada uno de ustedes tiene que hacer un sonido de algún animal. Has to be different. Tiene que ser diferente. I'm gonna read the question, and if you know the answer, you need to do your animal sound, okay? It's coming. No, you cannot get. Oh.
I didn't see it.
It's okay. Tell me, top 6 items that people forget to pack when taking a cruise.
Nail clippers.
No, you have to do your cruise. Tell me your answer.
Nail clippers.
No clippers. You think that's a good answer? No, okay, let's see if no clippers is on the screen. Nada. Tell me. Top 6 items that people forget to pack when taking a cruise. Money. Money. No. Money. Do you forget the money? No. Oh. Okay. Is money there, Cesar? I think everyone has money. Wow, and what is that? Huh? Which animal is that one? Cow. Okay, a cow. Nice. What is gonna be your animal sound? Meow. Meow. And what is that?
A lion.
A rat. A cat. Okay, nice. It's okay. Just remember first your animal sound, then the answer. Okay? And the question is, in which places are you told to use your inside voice? Meow. Tell me. Oi, oi. What is that?
A pig.
A pig. Okay. Right here. What is your animal sound? Oh wow. What is that?
Cat.
A small cat, right?
A very small one.
Okay, yes, just a baby. Okay. Yeah, I like it. So, remember first your animal sound and then you tell me the answer. And the question is, name the things guests do the most in cruise ships.
Point, point.
What is that?
Snake.
Snake, please stay away from me, I'm afraid. Lisa, my friend, your animal sound.
Nay.
What is that?
Horse.
Oh, okay, I like it. Which kind of?
What's that?
Which kind of?
What kind of horse?
Yes. Small one?
Stallion.
Oh, okay. I can see. Perfect. And the question is, come, name a place where you might hear music. Oh! Okay, what is that?
A bird.
A bird, okay. Which kind of bird?
Hawk.
Oh, nice. My friend, what is your animal sound?
Quack.
Quack, quack, quack. It's a dog. Yes, okay, perfect. Nice. Remember, first your animal style. Let's go with the question. Which countries speak Spanish? You better guess.
Alright, it is celebrate party's over. It is almost 9. And we're gonna hear to see the welcome aboard show.
The Jewel of the Seas Orchestra. Woke up wrong side of the bed, baby, it's my birthday. One more year, close to the death, couldn't be a worse day.
Put your hands together for our host and girl director, Eddie!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome everybody aboard the beautiful Jewel of the Seas. Muy buenas noches, damas y caballeros, y bienvenidos todos a bordo Jewel of the Sea. Bienvenidos sean todos ustedes. Welcome each and every single one of you, ladies and gentlemen. Just really quickly, muy rápido, permítame presentarme. My name is Eric, and I have the pleasure of being your cruise director on board. Tengo el placer de ser su director de crucero a bordo. Y damas y caballeros, antes de continuar, before we continue, if you could be so kind, si pudiesen ser tan amables, de darles un fuerte aplauso, to give a huge round of applause for the Jewel of the Seas Orchestra.
¡Hola mis amigos! ¡Siéntense un poquito! ¡Vamos a empezar una fiesta! Too fast, here we go! Yeah! E30, I-30. Hey, by the way, this is a very dangerous trick. That's right, because if I happen to swallow this, it's gonna hurt. Twice.
Well, it is evening time, near bedtime.
It is bedtime.
What time is it?
I don't know. I don't have a watch.
10:50. It's not bedtime. Back home it's only 9:50.
It's my bedtime.
Okay, so after dinner, I do this every single time. We do so much different things. After dinner, we saw Friendly Feud. How was that?
I like that.
That
That was good.
That was good. You got to see the questions.
Yeah.
And then some weird answers, but
Yeah.
some questions like I don't understand. The answers should have been right.
Got it.
You want a cookie? There's one over there for
No,
you.
I don't really like those cookies.
So that was good. And then after that, we went to go see the show. You saw the clips. I didn't see a lot of it. That first of all, I don't know if you guys knew this, but we're on the. This is Jules' first time at San Juan, so we're their original. I'm sorry, I didn't put they're
He's
on
beat
the.
me up,
They're on the
people,
original.
and you see it.
This is their first one. So it's a little different because everything is English. Then he speaks it in Spanish and English, and so it's a little getting used to. But you're in San Juan, so I guess like you have a lot of. There's in that, at least in that show we watched, there was a lot of Puerto Ricans in there.
No, there's a lot of them on the ship.
Yes, but in that show there's a lot too.
Yeah.
What'd you think of the show?
Oh, I really liked it.
All the things. It was all good.
He even got on him.
I don't know why. I think just picked somebody. It just randomly was me. So anyway, and then we get done. We have an internet issue, so I took care of that. And we came back to our room to find out. Wah wah wah.
Our excursion is canceled for tomorrow.
For St. Thomas, we were gonna do the St. John's, the catamaran, snorkeling, and bubbly, but it's been canceled for operational issues. So what they did do was.
What does that mean? Operational.
I don't know. I think it was on the excursions end. The people were doing it. So what they did offer $15 off if you want to book another thing, but I don't think we're going to do that. I think we're going to see if we can walk around. I'm gonna leave here and go down to the down there to guest services and see if there's some place we can walk around off the ship. We've been here once before. I just can't remember. Or maybe we take a taxi or something downtown.
Maybe.
But it's a rain tomorrow
It's
too.
supposed to rain.
Chance of rain tomorrow. So maybe it's a blessing in disguise. But anyway, we're done for tonight. Anything else you want to say?
Good night.
I guess that's it. We're ending tonight with a good night. All right. See you guys on the next day.